I just got 43 valid emails out of 49 leads in just one click and without even leaving Google Sheets. In order to get started with this, you just need a spreadsheet that has first name, last name, company, or website. Honestly, either or works. And as you can see, even for some of these last names, I don't have a last name. I only have the first letter of their last name. From here, we can install an extension from Scalelist. So we're just going to go to extensions, click on add-ons, and get add-ons. Here we're going to search in the Google Workspace. The extension is called Find Emails in Sheets by Scalelist. Click here and click on the extension. Now go ahead and select install. Scalelist is the best email and phone number finding tool, so you definitely want to give this a try. Now let's go ahead and give it permissions. Make sure we have the correct Gmail account selected. Hit continue. We want to go ahead and select all, continue, and it's been successfully installed. We'll click done and go ahead and close this box. Okay, now that that's finished, let's go back to extensions. And we can see here we have our Find Emails and Sheets extension that we've just added. Let's go ahead and hit open. Now this is a really simple setup. Already we can see the Scalelist panel on the right-hand side, and it's popped up asking me for an API key. Now, simply put, an API key is just a connector between your Scalelist account and the Google spreadsheet. So all you need to do is just go to scalelist.com to create a free account, and you'll be given a certain amount of free credits to get started. All right, so once we're logged into our Scalelist dashboard, on the left-hand side in the navigation panel, you can see API. Go ahead and click on this. And on the top right, you want to click on the blue button that says New Key. Now we'll see a window that says API key created. Hit OK. And we just want to click on this copy button right here. API key is copied. Click OK. And let's go back over to our Google Sheets. Now here we can just paste in our API key. Go ahead and hit save. Okay, and that's it. And now I can see that my Scalelist account is automatically connected with my Google Sheet. Now, next we want to make sure that we map all of our columns correctly. So column of first name is column A. Yes, that's correct. Last name is column B, company is column C, and company website is column D. You can move these around if you would like. Also, my table does have headers, so I want to make sure to include that as well. I'll leave this box checked. And we're ready to go ahead and start searching for emails. So we just click search emails. Now it's searching for emails directly from the spreadsheet. I don't even have to leave the page. As you can see, it's processing here. We can see about how much of it has been done already as it's populating the sheet over on the left-hand side. We'll let that go ahead and finish up, and then we'll come right back. Okay, now in just a few minutes, my leads list that had 49 leads in total, it's found 43 emails, all of which are valid. Valid just means that the email is safe to use. None were found that were risky. Risky means that the email may or may not be verifiable. It's up to you to decide if you want to still try to use the email address or not. And then 6 emails were not found. All of that was done in just one click, and note that I was only charged 1 credit per email found. Verification of the email, whether it's valid or risky, is included in the credit, so that comes at no extra cost. And if no email is found, then I'm not charged any credits. And it's as simple as that. You can easily find anyone's work email directly from your spreadsheets without even having to leave Google Sheets, using only one tool, the Scalelist extension. Next, if you want to learn how you can find emails simply from going to a company's landing page, make sure to check out this video. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe. And now it's your turn. Remember to scale smarter, not harder.